Anglia Home's sought-out floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 5 baths and 2-car garage. Upon entry you will see the formal dining and fall in love with the 18-inch ceilings. The large kitchen offers granite countertops and plenty of counter space. The layout makes it easy to entertain as the kitchen is open to the breakfast room and family room. Continue on the first floor to the amazing master suite. It offers a spacious master bathroom with a walk-in closet. Upstairs you the remaining 3 bedrooms and a large game room, which will be a hit. Contact me today for more information and make this beauty your home.